Hey everyone, the first step we need to do in the evening time is we look at the scanner. Based on the scanner, we'll take the trades. So the first thing you will check is which ones are bullish, except the copper. Everything is looking bullish here. Right? If it is above 50, that means they are bullish. Below 50, they are bearish. And then the second thing is you check which ones has highest strength. So silver is having good strength. NKD is also having good strength. Then crude oil. So silver is above magnetic line. Strength is also good. That means it is very good opportunity to go long. If everything is green, they are the best ones for bullish. And KD is also looking good. So we have to wait for a small pullback for GC, silver, and also NKD because they are already at the top now. I'm taking a short on silver. So yeah, added stop loss for silver little above the top because we got a swing sell. I thought it may drop to the bottom and then bounce, but without touching the bottom itself, it bounced. Should have waited for the buy opportunity. We'll add one more contract now. Beautiful profits in silver short. It came all the way to the bottom. Now I'll wait for the bicycle because it was at the top. We got a swing sell. long runs here, huh? Overall, silver is bullish. So again, it should go back all the way to the top. So you can set 47.75 as a target. It should go all the way. We should have waited for the shot for some more time. I'm also taking a long one, Jason. Taking profits on Jason. Yeah, Atul, do you have any questions?
Good evening, Kishore Garu.
Yeah, hi Sunil. Do you have any questions?
Two questions very quickly. So, ఇప్పుడు silver in 30 minute is at the top of the band. So, I know
Mhm.
at 3 minute, 5 minute, it's at the bottom. ఈ కాంబినేషన్లో లాంగ్ when we want to take, how do what are the different things we should look at as a confirming answer? అంటే T5 is right now at the top కదా on T5 on 30 minute.
But it
5 and
is
10 minutes is at the bottom. So I was
still
trying
there
to,
is still there is lot of gap here.
okay.
So that means it can move little more.
Okay, so that's where we can expect it to touch the 645 and then drop.
Right, yeah.
So can this be another way of understanding that overnight we can see a drop in silver? Same with
Yeah, GC
similarly with
is
gold.
yes, yeah.
Okay, okay, that because silver, I mean gold, I saw in the other one you shorted, but it was at the bottom, so I was not. That's why I was like confused. That one you shorted, but silver we were still holding the long.
Yeah, silver is more bullish today compared to GC. If you see,
Got it.
there are
Okay.
no major sellers. So sellers are somewhere at 48,495. GC is more bearish compared to silver, so silver can go further high. It breaks this.
Got it. Okay. Got it. Okay. And yes, for last 2 days, it's been having a good run, thinking it is going to come, which is not. How do you see ES
Yeah,
overnight?
mostly at FOMC, we'll see a drop tomorrow.
That's what I'm. Yeah.
Yeah, we will see a big drop on US and Q.
So even GC, you see it will touch almost 380, 390 before it comes down.
GC can go all the way to 3960.
Oh, 3960 before it drops. But 30 minute also, it is. Oh, okay. So it still has more. Okay.
Venkat, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I'm wondering what is the timing for FOMC and what are the predictions?
Tomorrow it is at 1 p.m.
Okay.
press
So
conference. And
until 1 p.m. can we expect some direction and after 1 p.m. obviously based on the results, right?
yeah, generally on FOMC day, it will have to, right, initially if there is a drop, then there will be a bounce later. Or if there is a bounce initially, then during a press conference, there will be a huge drop. So until 1 p.m. it will be choppy. Afterwards, we'll have a big moves on both the sides.
Okay, okay. And will there be any restrictions on the prop firms during the time? I know
Yeah, in the pro accounts you cannot do. Evaluation you can do.
we can play with the wells. Okay, all right.
Yeah, Akshay, do you have any questions?
Mm, Yeah, so I had a question. I thought we only buy when we see the symbol of the pulse line colliding with each other. I saw that. you were taking it a bit early. Is there a reason for that?
So earlier, yeah, it touched the cloud, started going up. So that's where I entered little early, but it dropped and again started bouncing up.
Okay, got it.
AB, do you have any questions?
Okay, sure. Yeah, regarding the FOMC only, I think the question was answered, right? So you're saying 1 p.m. it will just be
1 p.m. Central, yeah. Yeah, we'll see both sides. Initially, mostly we may see a drop and then we may see a bounce.
so until 1 p.m. it will be volatile, choppy, or like
It will be choppy. Yeah.
it's better we don't take trades, right? Like that way.
Yeah, you
Like
can.
for prop accounts.
Yeah, prop accounts better not to.
And overnight, is there a EC is a ES is it going to drop overnight, or it's I see it's dropping.
Uh, yeah, we can expect somewhere until this 69.27 on ES. You can put target at 69.27, stop loss at 69.39 to 69.40. The target is 27.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Hello,
So,
can you hear me?
yeah, Rajan, please go ahead.
So, question. So can you also open the price pulse, please?
Mhm.
So, if you look at it, right, the price pulse, it has candle before it was buy, and the next candle was sell again. It entered buy. So, how do we how do we deal with this kind of things when you real time trading?
Yeah, generally, if you see like this, right, this is like a support. So you will never short close to a support tree. So you have a lot of buy orders here, buy orders here. So generally you don't take a sell unless the support breaks.
But in gold, you earlier you took a short, right?
Yeah, that is for overnight trading, but yeah, because overall gold is bearish today compared to silver.
Okay. So, so which one is the right? Because if you look at it, if you just a little bit zoom out, the when the buy signal came, it almost ran. Trending was from the bottom. Little go little bottom below, please. Yeah, from the green bar below, it went all the way up. Then the buy signal came around 47 410, right? 410. But it ran so much from 47 150 or whatever, right? If you scroll down a little bit. So yeah, here, right? So the start the uptrend from this bottom big or the equilibrium bar, right? But it went almost so many bars up, and then the buy signal appears. So people and when I enter, they
But
removed.
whenever your candle is so huge, generally you wait for the next candle because this candle is much nearly double than most of the other candles.
No, I
So
was talking about the previous buy, the PSP buy, the three candles before, right? Then the two red candles came. Yeah, that one I'm talking about. So it came from the equilibrium to this much, right? This much it went up, and then the buy signal appears. So when we enter, and then it went back, right? So it's my stop loss is
Yeah,
so tight, like.
always it will retest the support.
Mhm.
Whenever you see a buy signal,
But
generally,
the thing is, the immediately got a PEP sell signal, so that's why we might close, right?
yeah, when you're
So how do
right,
we avoid this kind of, because buy sell buy, the two sandwich, right? So which one we should go for it in this case, in the scenarios like this?
so you look at overall momentum, flow, trend, right? What is
Okay.
the momentum? Where is the money flow? Where is the trend? That means buyers are taking the control.
So momentum, what numbers we should, above 50?
Yeah, above 50 is bullish. So I'm
Okay.
taking profit on silver long.
Okay.
Yeah, generally based on those things, if all those are positive, even if you get a sell, you will just ignore that sell signal.
Okay. So okay. We need to see a lot of confluence here to make entry before, even though it says buy or sell.
Right. Yeah.
So one question, um, the back testing strategy, right? You might have done a lot of back testing this indicators, right?
Mm.
So is there on the back testing results? Is there any timing window, or which the PP cell or PP PSS, whatever, right? There's PSPS, right? Strong cell and PP cell. There are two different
Mhm.
signal, right? Which one has
Mhm.
more conviction, and that would help us,
Generally, whenever you have strong buy or strong sell, they are better opportunities. If you get a strong buy
Okay.
compared to PP sell means just a normal sell. This is a strong buy. That means it is very strong or very good opportunity.
Okay.
Your strong signals always have a higher, more strength or better opportunities.
So for this indicators, do you have like back testing results that we can rely on, like which is more probability?
Yeah, again, right? You don't need to depend on back testing. Every day between 8 to 9, if you just follow either this method or RLM or with the scanner, nearly 90% of the time we are winning all the trades. Right? Because silver went all the way to the premium zone, there are sell orders. We took the short. We took the profits on the short. Again, we know it is overall bullish. It grabbed the liquidity at the bottom, started moving up. So again, we took profits on the long. Again, it will touch this. Again, it will start dropping.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
this is the best
so
time. 8 to 9, 8 to 9:30 central is the best time to trade metals.
okay, 8 to 9:30
Yeah.
central. Okay. Okay. And so in this price pulse, right, there are two bars, the horizontal green, horizontal red, right? Right now it's on the premium, right? The 47,645.
Mm-hmm.
You see two bars horizontal, right? One is green, one is yellow, stacked upon, right?
Here,
That one. No, to your left. Yeah. No, above in the premium. Yeah,
this.
there, right there. Yeah. So that means right there, and that.
Mhm.
So that horizontal green and red tells you the buyers and sellers, right? I mean,
Uh,
more
this is
sellers are there.
this is trend line resistance. This is trend line support. So generally, price goes here, touches it, comes down. This will act as support. Again, it will go up. Again, touch this. Again, drop.
And I'm talking about in the premium,
This one,
right? Yeah, right there. There's also two bars, right? Red and right
So
below that's
basically,
one. Yeah, exact that one. Yes, yeah, that one.
yeah,
So that
but
one.
yeah, don't worry about this one. Basically, look at the numbers. So if it is red in color, that means there are sellers sitting here, waiting here.
Okay.
Sell orders are here. So that means you will try to short around this place.
Okay. Okay.
If you see any green, that is where buyers are waiting. So if price comes here, this is the best time to go long.
Okay.
Yeah, in next few minutes, again silver will drop, but yeah. So I took profits on silver long. Yeah, Tamil silver.
Do you still hold GC short?
Yeah, GC short I'm holding for overnight. So it should come back to 39.60, 39.70.
Okay. Is it in your personal account, the GC short?
No, it isn't proper.
Oh, okay. So where is your stop loss?
But GC 39.90, 92, you can use a stop loss.
Okay, 39. Okay. And
39.90.
I have one more question.
Mm.
Yeah. So is it okay to trade only with the order blocks? If it is near sell order blocks, just short it irrespective of bullish or bearish. And if it is a buy order block, then go long.
This, you should also check. You can do that, but sometimes if the same order block gets touched 4 or 5 times, then next time it will break the order block. So here you have order blocks here, order blocks here. So there is a big possibility for it to go all the way down.
Okay.
But generally, if you have only small number here,
Yeah.
then sometimes it will break the order block and go up. So you have to wait for right once it touches it, your candle should become red. Then only you take the short.
Okay. So wait for red candle. So I have to take out other. I mean next candle, right? Not on the same
Mhm.
candle.
Yeah, once it touches the order block, the next candle, if it is turning red or if T5 is turning red, that means your price action. You're checking the price action. Is it becoming bearish, or if the strength is very strong, trend is strong, buyers may break the resistance, go further up. But if it
Okay.
is going there and turning, if T5 is turning red, that means there are a lot of sellers there. Sellers are taking control from buyers.
Okay. But with the current scenario, the T5 is green and it has a lot of room to go up, but the order block is very nearby. So let's say in next 2-3 candles, it will touch the order block. But by order block, it will not go to the top, right?
Yeah, the
Sorry.
chances are very less for it to break the order block
Okay. Because
because
evening
of,
time is low.
yeah, overall GC is a little bearish compared to silver.
Okay.
And also the strength is also not huge. It is 19, 17.
Yeah.
So that means it is choppy. For some time it will be bullish, sometime it will be bearish. So you can make money on both the sides.
Okay. I actually have a GC long in my personal account. 4,000, uh, 4,010 is the price.
For now it will drop. It will come back to this 39.72.
Okay.
But next time again, if it starts going up, if it touches the same order block multiple times, it will break this, it will go here. Then again, it will touch this 2 or 3 times. Then it will go to 4,008.
Okay. I have it in my personal account.
Yeah. So yeah, if it is a long position, you can hold.
It is a long question. So if rate cut is confirmed tomorrow, GC will go up, correct?
Yeah, mostly yes, and Q will go up, and GC silver will go up tomorrow, go up further.
Okay. So the expectation is 0.25, right? So what happens if there is a rate cut tomorrow overall with your experience? Will it go up or down the market?
0.25 is already priced in.
Okay.
So, but if there is either they decide to delay the price cut, or if they say that there won't be any more price cuts in this year, or if he talks anything negative, Powell, then there can be a bigger drop. So 0.25 is already expected.
Okay. Yeah. So it all depends on whether we have a December or how he talks.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thanks for your time.
Yeah. Yeah, Venkat, do you have any questions? Yeah, Raj, do you have any questions?
Okay, sure, Garu. I just want to see what your opinion is about earnings tomorrow, Microsoft, Meta, and Alphabet. Are you bullish on them or?
Everything is overextended as of now. Microsoft is looking, it may go further up.
Bullish. Okay.
So Kishore Garu, so for in personal account, gold, can I wait till it touches 88 or 90 so I can short it?
Yeah, it may touch 80. Yeah.
And silver, I'm still holding for the 47,640. Or is it
Yeah,
risky?
yeah, it is little risky.
Okay, then I'll take profits.
Okay. Because now the volume will die down and it will be choppy now.
Yeah,
So
that's always the risk factor. That is very true. Yeah.
Kishore, can you hear me?
yeah, Venkat, just a minute. Yeah, Meta is looking bearish. Mostly, see a drop with Meta to 700.
Kishore Garu, like it is telling strong buy and also T5 is green, right? How did you tell it is bearish?
Price went all the way to the top of the resistance.
Okay.
So it is close to resistance. There might be a small, immediately after the earnings, it will go up. There are a lot of sellers here. And then
Oh, okay, okay.
it will drop.
Okay, okay. Okay.
What is the other one we have?
Alphabet.
CVS is
Alphabet. Yeah.
CVS, we are bearish. CVS will see a drop tomorrow.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So during evening time also, if I only announce some alerts, then only you take those things. So if I'm just taking something, then without announcing, that means it is a risky trade.
Okay.
Google also is looking bearish.
Okay. So only Microsoft is bullish then.
Yeah, Meta and Google are bearish.
Okay. Okay.
CVS is bearish. This Bloom Energy is bullish.
With FOMC, will the crypto can bounce? Today it was little choppy.
Yeah, cryptos can bounce. Yeah, gold and cryptos, gold, silver, cryptos can bounce.
Sure, Garu. One more question. So, how do people check the price of, for example, Nvidia or something in the non-US market hours? Is there a different exchange they look at the price?
And there are some brokerages which will allow you 24 hours trading for stocks. Robinhood, Thinkers, we might be care.
So
You can.
they do not trade in US stock exchange, they trade somewhere. Is that how the price works?
Um, yeah, there are some special exchanges which will route in the evening time. So, but
Okay.
yeah, those brokerages will show you the price overnight prices. Even Webull, you can see what is the overnight price.
I see. I see. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, Kishore Garu.
sure. Yeah. So yeah, B is also looking bullish. It came to the bottom. Tomorrow we can see a nice bounce. So we took profits on silver, short silver long, and GC we are holding a short. Next few minutes we'll see it dropping to 39.70. That's it, everyone. We'll talk again in the
Sure,
morning.
I have one last question.
Mm.
Yeah, so when you add a long in GC, it went down close to 1,000 plus negative, right? And when you saw green, why didn't you average it? Why didn't you add one more question there?
For GC or silver?
Silver.
Yeah, we already made good
Because
profits, right? Earlier with the short, we made some $300 plus. Again, if too much profit, also again we'll have consistency issues. So.
no, no, no. So when it was negative 1,000,
Mm-hmm.
and you know that it will go up at that point. because it started moving up and T5 also turned green. Instead of holding a same contract, why didn't you add one more so that we could have averaged it, right? So generally, I used to make that mistake. Sometimes I used to average pretty earlier, but I used to see you don't average it. Just wanted to understand. In line like 2130 or let's say 2145 around the time in your candle 2145, yeah, if it turned green, then you could have averaged one more. I was waiting whether you average or not. You didn't average, you were just holding one position, but it went to green. But
Yeah, because with silver, yeah, well, so yeah, generally when you average, the risk is much higher, right? Even though you wait for, we know overall silver is bullish, it will definitely go up,
okay,
and by sometimes it may be choppy, it may take a lot of time. So even if I just hold one overnight, also the risk is minimal.
correct. Okay.
But if you have two and suddenly if it drops further or something, it is more risky.
I'm very true. I made that mistake.
Yeah, multiple times I made. After seeing two green candles, even after T5 turned green, I used to add two or three because silver and gold is like too much point, right? So suddenly one or two big red candles blow the account.
Right, right. So that's why better not to average as much as possible.
Okay.
Because even if you give another 10-15 minutes, it will move into profits. If you average and suddenly there is one reverse big candle, then so now
Yeah.
GC, everything will start, right? Now silver will start dropping, GC will start dropping.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's a good thing. Sure.
So GC, I'm target is 37, 68, 65 or 70.
39.70. It will come all the way to 39.70. Yeah, minimum 39.70. If it breaks 39.70, then it can come back to this 39.58.
Gotcha. And silver also, you think it will have a big drop overnight, or it is going to come back to 47, 105 and go back?
Silver is little bullish compared to GC, so
It's not worth risk shorting it. Right.
right. Yeah. Unless you are at T5 is at the top, it may come to 47,320.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Santosh, please go ahead.
Uh, Hello, Kishore garu. I just have one quick question. Sorry if you already answered. SPX daily income trade this morning, it said it was bearish and suddenly the market went upside.
No,
And
initially for first 2 hours it dropped. Right, it
yeah,
was close to resistance when market
oh,
opened. First
yeah,
2 hours it dropped, and then there was a bounce again. Last half an hour, 45 minutes again it dropped. So overall, your candle closed below the open price at the end of the day. If
mm-hmm.
it is bullish when your closing price is greater than open price.
Okay, okay,
It is bearish whenever your closing price is less than the open price.
okay.
So overall, SPX candle was closed less than the open price.
So based on today's sentiment, Kishore garu, for tomorrow we
We'll
may
see
see
a drop.
any
We'll
big
see a
drop.
drop on. Mhm.
SPX, what is the, I mean, the weight number we can guess? 6,800?
68.40.
6,840. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks
Oh,
for the data.
yes.
GC silver are dropping again. Yeah, Manga, please go ahead.
Okay, sure. I have two questions.
Hmm.
The first one is one of the members told that they have more than one take profit pro plus accounts, and they figured out a way to kind of copy trade. How did they do that?
I don't know who mentioned that. Do you remember the name?
Um, I think it was Priya or somebody. So she mentioned that she has 4 Pro Plus accounts, and she was figuring out how to copy trade.
I don't remember the conversation.
Okay, that's okay. That's one thing. The second one is NQ opened with a huge gap up on Sunday evening, and the gap is still there.
Yeah,
Usually, when
mostly tomorrow that gap will be filled. Yeah, we
okay,
will see.
yeah, I mean,
Because last
he
2 days there was a gap up, so tomorrow it should fill the gap.
So when we say fill the gap, how much I mean, like, is there like a guesstimate on, oh, there was a gap up of 100 points, so the fill up will be all the way 100, or like even
Yeah,
today morning, SPX, there was a gap up, right?
yes, yeah. Whatever are the gaps formed, it will try to balance that. So as of now, there is imbalance. There is a lot more buyers. It is more bullish. So market always tries to balance out. It will try to bring buyers and sellers at same time, same place.
Um, the indices that trade during the market hours, what I've noticed is that they sometimes do a gap up and gap down, and the fills happen at a later point. But uh, these futures, very rare scenario where NQ, the one we are seeing on the screen, that gap has not filled up yet. So what it
Mm.
means is if it comes back to filling it, it's going to be a huge drop actually, like
Yeah,
1,000
mostly
points.
tomorrow we may see
So
that.
we'll see like almost 20.
Yeah,
Oh,
nearly 600 points from yeah.
Yeah, it's a big one.
And so generally, right, when your price is away from T5 also, it will try to come back, touch it, and then again go. So when it is close to the resistance, you should see a drop. Yeah, minimum it should come all the way to this 25,576. Yeah, Manga, do you have any questions? Yeah, Venkat, did you watch the video? Do you have any other set of questions?
No, I was not able to. I think I forgot to copy the link, and when you close the session, I lost it.
Okay. You can go to YouTube, Right Choice Advisors, and just search on setup. Then you will
Okay.
see all the setup videos. So they have step-by-step instructions. So basically, you have to go to indicators and then check under invite only. Then you will see all the indicators which I provided access. Then once you click them, they will come onto the chart.
Repeat that again. But the video should explain that to me, right?
Yeah, video has all the steps. Yeah. So
And
you can.
okay. And Kishore, just to get started with prop shop and all that. So what is the sequence in which I need to set up all these accounts? And how do I know I'm done?
Yeah, basically so first thing is trading view indicators. Once you have indicators on trading view, that is your first step. Second step
Mhm.
is you can use take profit trader or any other prop firms. Then you connect them to the trading view. So then whenever you take trades here, they will get copied into your prop firms.
Okay. And do I still need a Ninja and what's that other one, like Rhythmic and other softwares, or just these two are good enough?
If you want to do copy trading, if you want to install Replicanter, that is where your NinjaTrader is needed. Otherwise, generally, yeah, TradingView and yeah, TradingView is good enough.
So TradingView and PropShop account is good enough to get started, and then eventually,
No,
if I,
PropShop doesn't have trader weight. So PropShop you cannot connect to TradingView. For PropShop, you have to use their own platform. You just see the signal here. If you see a sell signal in 30 minutes, then you go and do micros there. Or if you see a buy signal in 30 minutes, you go and do two micros, long on two micros.
see,
Uh, but if you have take profit trader or Apex, Elite Trader Fund, any other prop firms, whichever supports trader weight, then you can directly connect them to TradingView.
so which one do you suggest that I also
Yeah.
take the account?
So generally, this take profit trader, those are preferred ones which have trader weight connection, so that you don't need to have too many applications open. Right here, directly you can see if you see that it will drop, you can directly click here, and then they will happen in your prop firms. So yeah, I suggest this one. So yeah, GC is dropping big. Silver also started dropping.
So Kishore, if you have like maybe a couple minutes, I have all the screens open. Maybe you can just give me a quick rundown. If not, we can do it in the weekend. No rush. I mean, I just
No, I think
to
yeah, once you watch setup session, it will be more easy. So if you have
okay.
any questions after watching that, yeah, I can help you.
Okay, that's fine. If you could drop that link again, because there are so many videos you have there.
Yeah, I'll post it to you.
Looks like in next 5-10 minutes we will reach that 3970 target, Kishore.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if it reaches, wait for a pullback and again short it overnight. Gold.
Yeah.
Okay.
కిషోర్ గారు
Yeah, Manga, please go ahead.
అది బ్లాక్ స్టాక్ ఉంది కదా XYZ seems like it's at the breakout point. What do you suggest about it, XYZ block? Because last few weeks I see that whatever stock Cathy Wood is buying, somehow it's breaking out very big. She did a QCOM, it broke out very nicely. She did it with one other stock, I forgot the name, and it broke out very well. Hood. When she bought it, it blowed out like 20, 30, like a 10, 15% one day. And now she took position in the XYZ, and I do see that it's like consolidating for a long time. And there seems some news, I don't know, nobody knows, but it looks like it might break out sometime.
But there are huge sell box, no? Probably there are more buyers than the sell blocks.
Yeah, she does. She is like nowadays taking the
Yeah,
stocks
yeah,
that
yeah.
she knows something.
Yeah, but as of now, we are close to resistance. So better you wait.
Okay, wait for some pullback.
Yeah, you are close to the top where you have a lot of sellers.
There's November 6th or something, there are endings actually. So I think maybe.
Yeah, wait for a pullback and then
Okay.
as of now you have 503, 757, 894. Unless there is some AI news, chances are very less for it to go up.
Yeah, it seems like there is something cooking up. I don't know what could be that, but
Yeah,
okay. Thanks. Sure.
sure.
It also formed head and shoulders, downward head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders. So
Mm-hmm.
if it breaks 81 or 82, I think it will hit 90, 95, 100 also easily. If there is any news or something which we don't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay
thanks.
then. Sure. We'll connect in the morning.
Sure, Kishore. Good night.
Yeah. Good night, everyone.